Moving on to 62. Okay. What is this? If P plus Q means P is the brother of Q. First, let's write down the conditions. If P plus Q, P plus Q means P is the brother of Q. So, okay. Then what they have given? P into Q means P is the wife of Q. P into Q means P is the wife of Q. Okay. Then P percentage Q means P is the daughter of Q. So P percentage Q means P is the daughter of Q. Then, yeah, only three things. Okay. Then, which of the following means D is the uncle of A? So, instead of PQ, they have replaced ABCD. Now, we need to identify out of these three options or four options, which relation states that D is the uncle of A. Okay. See, I'll tell you how to eliminate the option. Right. Okay. Let's try to solve this. Let's look at the option A. A percentage B into C plus D. I'll write down here. A percentage B into C plus D. So A percentage B means A is the daughter of. Wait. You know the answer. Let's repeat it. A into B. Oh, sorry. A percentage B into C plus D. Right. So A percentage B into C plus D. So A percentage B means A is the daughter of B. Okay. And B into C is B is the wife of C. And C plus D is C is the brother of D. So A is the which one is? Okay, A is the daughter, means B is the mother. B into C is B's wife. So A's father will become C. Okay. B into C means B is the wife, right? So here C is the father of A. C plus D is C is the brother. So father's brother, obviously it should be A, right? Okay. A percentage B, yeah. A percentage B is A is the daughter of B. Okay, so B into C is B is the wife of C. Yeah, because A is the C. A is the daughter of C, means C will become the father. And C plus D is C is the brother of D. So obviously A can be the answer. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so let's analyze the other option. A into B. A into B means A is the wife of B. Okay, and B plus C is B is the brother of C. C percentage is C is the percentage. Okay, daughter of D. So this is cannot be possible because A will be older in terms of age in the option. So that cannot be possible. When we look at C, A plus C. A is the brother of C. and C percentage B is, C is the daughter of B, B into D is, D is the wife of option, sorry, B is the wife of D. So even if we take this one, again here, option C cannot be possible. So the most reliable option can be option A. But in some answers case, they have given us none of these. Say anything. It can be option A also, because A is percentage B, daughter. Okay. So let's move on to 16. So the answer of the correct answer could be option A. But in some answers case, they have given us none of these. Anyway. Let's go to option question number 63. Arjun went 15 kilometers to the west from my house and then turned left and walked 20 kilometers. He then turned east and walked. Okay, let's write down this. Let's make it into diagrams. Arjun went 15 kilometers to the, again it's a direction related question, so we need to have a small direction chart, north, south, east and west. Okay, yeah. Arjun went 15 kilometers to the west from my house. So imagine my house is somewhere here. Let's take it this as my house. Arjun went 15 kilometers west. Okay, 15 kilometer in the direction west direction, and then he turned left. Observe this. He is walking in this direction. From here, left means he should go towards south. Okay, he is going in this direction. From this left means he should go towards south. So, and then turn left and walk for 20 kilometers. Okay, fine. So he walked for 20 kilometers. Okay, so this is 20 kilometers. Then he then turned east. Observe this. He is standing here. He then turned east, means he should move in this direction now. He then turned east and walked 25 kilometers. So 25 kilometers means he will go here. From here to here means 15 kilometers covered. From again, he moved again, say 10 kilometers. Okay, let's keep at this point. So this is totally 25 kilometers. Or I can write it in this way. 15. This is 10. So totally you will get 25 kilometers. Fine. And finally turning left. So now he was in this direction. Now he turns left, means he should go towards north. Cover 20 kilometers. Fine. So this is 20 kilometers. This is 20 kilometers. Means he should arrive at the same line. Okay. He need to come back here. So at this point, 20 kilometers. At this point, he ended his journey. Now what they are asking? How far was he from his house? So his house is here. We located this point as his house. Now he is asking. They are asking how far he is from the house. It is 10 kilometers. You can easily understand this is 10 kilometers because if you have this a proper triangle, rectangle of 25 and 20 kilometers as length and breadth. Yeah, correct. So perfect. 10. Okay. And now let's go on to question 64. Oh, sorry, I stopped. Yeah, 64. If FRIIHH stands for coffee, means the coffee, the word coffee is coded as FRIIHH. Okay, you should observe that thing. Anyway, let's write that. So what they have given, coffee is written as FRIIHH. So ready some space. How will you write noodles? So again I'll tell you, whenever you see such encoding and decoding, just convert those letters into numbers. You'll be getting the answers very easy. So let's convert coffee into the numbers. 3, O is 15, F6 and E5. Okay, 3, 15, 6, 6, 5, 5. This is equal to FRIH, means F R I H H. Okay. So now observe the thing. What is the relation between these two? 3, 6 plus 3, 15 and 18 plus 3, 6 and 9, 5 and 8 means they have forwarded 3 letters. Okay, they have taken plus 3. That is, they have moved forwarded with every 3 letters. Now, what is the question? How will you encode noodles, right? It's very easy. N O O D L E S. So just convert it to numbers. Let's arrange it. Okay. Yeah. So now, if you observe the thing, you can easily try to estimate the numbers. What they have given. Yeah. 1 second. Somebody raising their hand. Yeah. Sulfat Naz. Yeah. Unmute yourself and ask your question. You have raised hand, right? Okay, Sudhata, yeah, unmute yourself. I think you're not. Fine, let's move on. So what they have done is they have added 3 to each and every number. So by doing so, we'll get 17, 18, 18, 7, 15, 8 and 22. Okay. So by writing the corresponding letters, what we have is Q, R, R, 7 is G, 15 is O, 8 is H and 22 V. So QRRGOHV. The answer. QRRGOHV. Option C is the right answer. Okay. For question number 64, QRRGOHV is the right answer. Okay. Then for 65, irritant, annoyance. Stimulus, what? Okay. So can anybody try to this answer? Irritant, annoyance. Option A. Yeah, please try to this. This is just general normal English question, right?